On a trip to the bird and flower market, we discovered a stall selling antiques. Upon surveying the stall's wares, we noticed a bowl filled with rusted old coins and badges. With a big grin on her face, the shopkeeper pointed enthusiastically at a coin we held in our hands, shouting, "Mao Zhuxi, Mao Zedong." Seeing the uninterested expressions on our faces, she picked up another coin and said, "这很老." Thomas, being the skeptic he is, asked, "真的老吗?" She replied with an earnest, "真的," wanting us to believe her. She even had a test to prove to us that they were real.
你的生意多好。
After being reassured that the coins were real, the shop vendor unraveled her story. Apparently, she had discovered a box filled with old things in a house that she had recently moved into. After consulting friends, she discovered the old things had value and decided to sell them at the market. Holding up another coin, the shop vendor told us that the man was Yuan Shikai. Pretending like we knew who he was, we nodded in agreement and odd.
In all reality, we knew the coins were fake. Yes, they dinged when tapped together, and that proves they're made of metal. But in all likelihood, there's probably a factory that makes these souvenir coins for vendors to sell. There were multiple stands selling these same rare Revolution-era coins. Also, if you look closely, they're all dated to the same year. They've been aged artificially to add story value. However, just because the coins are inauthentic, and so is her story, it does not rob the buyer of an authentic experience. The value of these souvenirs is not monetary in nature. These coins are a conversation piece, and adding a story increases the value whether it is true or not.